How to add comment section in Google Sites. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can upload a comment section here in Google Sites, how you can add it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically here in insert we don't have a comment section, we just have the option text, images, embed on drive. So we're gonna need to embed a code from an external website, and this is gonna be done with, it is not it is thiscast.com. With thiscast.com we're gonna be able to add that comment section. So I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna sign up with my Google account. I'm just gonna select my Google account here, and now to create a password and verify the CAPTCHA. Once you have done that, click on sign up. And if you're back here into the sign up process, you must scroll down, click on login. And now I'm into my account. I want to comment on sites, or I want to install Disqus on my site, so this is the option. We're gonna do it into our website name. By now this is gonna be parents again. Okay, this is just a template there in Google Sites. The category, it's gonna be, let's suppose, living, and the language is gonna be English. So I'm gonna create the site. This is gonna offer you different plans, plus or pro, business, okay, or just basic. Any number of total daily page views, add supported, Disqus core features. So I'm going to subscribe into this one, into the basic. And here you're going to obtain the different apps or softwares or web pages that you're going to be able to link with your Disqus.com. By now there is no and space here for Google Sites, so you must click here on add and see my platform list, install manually with universal code, and this is gonna give you the code. So I'm going to click on this, copy, go back here, and now insert the embed section to paste my embed code. You must click on this tab first. This is the code that I have copied from thiscast.com. Click on next, and now I have my comment section. Okay, click on insert again, and there you are. You can mention this if you want, even delete it. And here in the edit section, all you can do is edit this part, but not to edit, I don't know, like the color or something like that. And that's how you can do it with Disqus.com. That's how you can add a comment section in Google Sites. Thanks for watching.